Good morning. We are going in search of amphibians today. We're going on an excursion on the first day after a nice, warm, rainy night. And wait till you see what I saw last night while it was raining and the amphibians were on the move. We're hoping we'll find a few still in the pool. Well, here's the pool in the daylight. There was so much activity here last night, and it looks all quiet now. Well, this pool may have seemed deserted, but if we look under the surface, we can see plenty of evidence of how important it is to our local amphibians. I'm pretty sure these eggs belong to the Jefferson salamander, which is not very common in Vermont. So I was really excited to see several of them hanging around the pool last night. So these guys are everywhere. Here's the Jefferson salamander. And here's another. But the salamanders I'd gone looking for last night were spotted salamanders. They are widespread and abundant, but you almost never see them because they live pretty much their whole life underground. Except briefly in the spring when they come to pools like this one to breed. So last night was April 17th, 2023, and it was worth a trip to the pool because it was the first rain we've had this year since the weather warmed up. The salamanders need to wait for the rain to keep from drying out during their migration. The wood frogs have already come and gone from this pool, but if you listen closely, you can hear one lonely frog still calling. I came out here looking for spotted salamanders and I found them. They are everywhere in the pool. I didn't even realize it while I had my camera in the water, but you can actually see some of the white spermatophores that the males deposited here on the branches and leaf litter. Thanks for joining me and the salamanders on our big night out. If you enjoy wildlife content, be sure to leave a note in the comments below.